What's the meaning of atrophy? Atrophy. Atrophy.
Atrophy. Atrophy. Atrophy refers to the wasting away or degeneration of body tissue, usually due to a lack of use or nourishment. The result of atrophy can vary depending on the specific tissue affected, but typically involves a decrease in size, strength, and function. For example, muscle atrophy can lead to weakened muscles and loss of mobility, while brain atrophy can cause cognitive impairment and memory loss. Atrophy can also occur in organs such as the heart, lungs, and kidneys, leading to various health complications. Overall, atrophy represents a progressive deterioration of bodily structures and functions.